Hi Rohit. Due to this workshop, I'm not getting time to prepare a proper video. Yeah, guys, don't make me behave like a YouTuber. Introduce yourself, put your names, and ask your questions. So Rohit is the right person to be in this job. Like this is call actually. I wanted to discuss about the contract jobs. Like many people in the group are getting contract profiles at Fortry and many other organizations as well. Hi Dipendu. So I wanted to have a discussion with you about this. Like, what do you feel? What are your confusion? What is your need? Hello, Amar. Hello, Menu. So tell me, guys, whoever, like, who is getting good evening, Prince? Just a second. Quality. Yeah. Okay, when you are looking for new opportunities, there are many opportunities for 1 year people, guys. Hi, Nandini. Nandini is somehow lost in the group. There's no discussions going on. So, how many of you have got the contract jobs? Apart from Rohit, I am aware about. So, Abhimanyu, what are you looking for? Like after 1 year of experience, what do you think? Nandini, it's just a contract job. They are not killing people inside. It's safe. See, just for the sake of exposure and everything, it's okay to join. But you have to be smart enough to switch. Abhimanyu, like, no, I'm having a filmy dialogue right now. भाई बड़ा सोचो. ट्राई 1 साल हो गया ना केस प्रोसेसिंग करके. So the main focus is about the contract jobs. So first, joining before joining the contract job, you should understand that why contract jobs exist. I mean, when you have to like start looking in the correct direction. IQA is hiring for 1 year position. If you see that, message me on WhatsApp. I'll talk to the HR about your profile. Akash Kumar, unable to do so. So what you have done till now, Akash? What you are doing? Amar, B Farmers. Amar, abhi right now you are not eligible, brother. Don't apply anyway. Don't waste your chances by applying. Your no company is going to hire you. Okay, because companies don't hire pursuing candidates until and unless they have their campus placement. Wow, clean India. So how for how long you have been with Clean India, Akash? Amar, QA means what? You want to go for QA? Brother, ask a question, Amar. I don't get it. Okay, been more than 4 months. So they are not giving you placement assistance? It's not in your preferred location. What are your preferred location? Yes, Abhimanyu, I will check. Shubham, safety associate trainee. It starts with 2.8, I guess, 2.7, 2.8 LPA for freshers. For both M form, it's same for M form and B form. Hi, Chandru. आकाश भाई दिल्ली एनसीआर में जॉब्स है ही नहीं अभी. Okay, you are doing M Farm in QA specialization. Yes, brother, after completing your degree, you are eligible for PV jobs. What about Accenture contract jobs? C2H. Chandru, elaborate C2H, please. Contract to hire. Yes, we are discussing contract jobs. Rohit will tell. Rohit, what do you think? Why contract jobs exist? Nandini, you will get the experience certificate for this contract job, but again, if the contract is for lesser period, it will be expired within 6 months, and then you will be back in the market searching for a new job. To be in the contract jobs, you have to be smart enough to get the job, get a permanent job before your contract is expiring. See, when a pharmaceutical company or a CRO launches a new product or study or new project, the volume of safety data, the case processing, like case inflow, suddenly increases. So, just to manage that temporarily, instead of hiring permanent employees, the CROs do, they hire contract people, okay, just to manage the work for temporary basis. No, Swati, it is not there. It is not true. Amar, which skills should I develop now? Yes, Rohit, cost control. Because full-time FTEs require maintenance. Contract jobs are temporary. They can kick out at any time. So, our what skills you should develop? First, you should complete your degree. Focus on completing your degree. Then, gain some basic knowledge of the profile that you are looking for, do some valuable certification courses, and you are good to apply. See, if you are not getting any opportunities, it's always better to try and luck, explore, consider the contract job as an internship rather than experience. Join the contract jobs to gain exposure or to get exposure or let's say knowledge. I would say like the contract job should be called as like paid internships. Yes, Kamran, 23rd March stall slot is still open. We have two batches on starting 23rd, so slot is open. I'm not asking for any advance booking from anyone. It will be decided on 23rd only that who will get the seat. It's always first come first basis. If you want like the how the like workshop is going on or everything, you can ping in the group and people who are in the workshop they can tell you like what they are how it's going on. 5 LPA, brother. For 5 LPA profiles, you need to choose a specific domain or specific job post. Not every profile, entry level PV job is not offering 5 LPA. There is only one company in India, I guess, right now, who is offering 5 LPA to PV freshers, and that hires M-Form, and they have a 2-year bond. Anybody guess which is the company? Any guesses? No, Kamran. Guess, girl, guess. No, no, Rishabh. They don't offer 5 LPA. No, Kamran, not IQVIA. भाई 15,000 रुपए देते IQVIA फ्रेशर्स को. अभी ओप्स कोऑर्डिनेटर वन को ग्रुप में पढ़ा रही तुमने. Parexels used to give. No, GSK, no, no, no. No, okay. Sudhanshu, the chances are always there. Okay, get some PV, gain some the PV skills, and after some certification, you are good to go. The company name is Continuum Solutions. It's in Chandigarh. They hire only M-Form. The starting package is 5 LPA, and they have a 2-year bond conditions specifically for PV. Parexel gives around what 3.8, 3.5 to 3.8 based on your interview. Earlier, Parexel used to give 5, but now they are not offering that much. Continuum Solutions, let me write in the chat. It's in Chandigarh. It hires only M-Form. with 2 year bond condition. Many other companies do give 5 LPA. क्या हाल है वरुण? बढ़िया भाई. Second year B Form student from Beauty and one to Sudhanshu, right now you just need to complete your degree first. वरुण बताएगा. वरुण 2 साल का बॉन्ड क्या होता है? आकाश, 2 year bond means 2 साल से पहले you can't leave the company. क्लिनिवाइट्स में ये सब बोला जाता है. भाई मैं किसी इंस्टीट्यूट को नाम लेके नहीं बोल सकता. यूट्यूब है, पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म है, कोई ऑब्जेक्ट कर देगा. पीवी फ्रेशर्स की. यस गोकुल. Sure, we can speak in English. Krishna, it will surely impact your chances, but if you can cover that gap with some valuable certifications and upskill you can mention in your profile. Kamran, 9 पर में 12 LPA for what? And Rishabh, yes, it is actually not a right information. The right now, the current market situation, the freshers are getting between this. Sudhanshu, that is your choice, brother. Many people do job after B form, and it does. What Aniket? No, Aditya. Continuum don't hire B former. Varun is here in the chat. He can confirm he is from Chandigarh. In Chandigarh, there are only two companies, Parexel and Continuum, and they both hire only masters. Nandini, it's a contract job profile. Company don't want to take the responsibilities. Aditya, it doesn't matter. They need B form. Sorry, they need M form only. Shubham, I'm not a doctor, but it's always safe. Don't worry. Gokul, you are as eligible, as good as masters, brother. You are eligible. Senior Health is a good company. Nandini, like frame your questions properly. Okay, that is a question, good question, Gokul. But again, the company that hires B Farm for entry level job will also hire PharmD for entry level jobs. In those organizations, the salary will be similar. But the company that gives preference to masters, in that organization, your salary will be different. So be smart and choose the right company. Narrative Gokul, I just told na the companies that prefer only masters, they will give you higher package. Narrative writing, Sudhanshu, we will be discussing narrative writing. But again, if you want to learn narrative writing, there's a video on the channel. You can learn that. Like you can watch that and you will be able to understand. Amrita, see, we were discussing this only. Don't look the like if the contract is for 6 months, don't consider this that it is a job. Consider this is a paid internship. They will give you a certificate of completion and you will get exposure. It's not a job. After 6 months, you will be back in the market searching for a job. If it is for 1 year, then you can consider this as a job because after 1 year, you become like automatically eligible to switch. Varun, everybody wants to come in PV because they think it is easy and comfortable job. Oh, I completed my degree in pharmacy, pass out, and now I'm looking for entry level PV or should I go for contract jobs like in MNCs? Peaceful life. Yeah, guys, if you don't have your real name mentioned in your profile, please mention your name. Yes, I don't know if you're a girl or boy. Sorry. See, we were discussing this topic only. If you are getting the opportunity of contract jobs and you don't have anything on your hands, you should go. So the syllabus that is given in PG, is it enough to no, Swati, it's not enough. I will make a video on this. It's a good point that you picked up. It is not enough to clear the PV interviews. Rishabh, so then what are the future perspective of 2 years at this package around 2.5 to 5? Rishabh, it depends on your skill set, brother. Yearly you get a hike. Aniket, in India, it looks like age matters, but out of India, age doesn't matter. Which company provides fully remote jobs for B Foreman in which domain? Shubham, no company provide fully remote jobs. Nowadays, yes, Kamran, PCS syllabus has been updated with the inclusion of AI modules, but it is still not enough to clear the interview. No, Shubham, no company is providing fully remote profiles. It depends on a particular profile, but for entry level jobs, they are not usually not given remote. Every company is working on like what they say hybrid model. कामरा जो मिल जाए भाई गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स मिल रही है तो कौन छोड़ेगा Someone has ever said clinical research degree from a recognized college and skills can get better open than from DS lectures. Aditya, they can be given a preference in interviews. Okay, your profile can be picked up for the interview, but your package, the starting package, will not be exceptionally above any other candidate. Pratik, these are all same. There's no difference in them. Rishabh, there, like India, there are companies, PV companies in abroad as well. They don't ask to learn Japanese, brother. It's a specific project requirement. There are some projects which require Japanese skill set, like other language skill set. They pay additional for that. It's a high paying skill. And coming back to Rishabh, like India have CROs. Outside of India, they also have PV companies, and a lot of them, specifically in USA and Europe. Kamran BTS is from Korea. Swati, I don't know from where you heard this. It is not true. It must be a joke. Yes, Sudhanshu, there are a lot of internships that you can do. Hi, Shrishti. You are talking about the SaaS wala part, no? Or the PV portfolio. Ah, it's simple. You can, it's just simple is enough. Audit in a company means, sir, हिंदी भाषा में भाई रेट बढ़ना. They check everything that the company is functioning as it should function. What things we will cover in 23rd March batch? See, I have, okay, Akash, see, that workshop is for 15 days. Okay, first, if many people are interested in workshop, and see, I started the workshop process because many people are wasting money on pay unnecessary expensive paid courses. In the 15-day workshop, I will tell you about basics of PV, basics of clinical research, which will help you understand the concepts, okay, like how PV functions and how clinical research and CDM they are interlinked, so that you can choose your proper, like choose your correct domain or profile that you want to work on. Second, I will help you with your resume. I will guide you about courses like which courses and certifications are important to include in the resume. We will fix the resume. Then we will conduct a mock interview for the practice. And in the end, if there are any vacancies nearby in IQV or any other organization, I can help you like share your resume with the HRs. Sorry, though. Aditya, there's a mock interview video on the channel. You can watch that. The last video, latest video on the channel is a mock interview. You can watch that. So if all profiles are same, there are differences in salary like the operation code they be knowing but for drug safety associate no they pay for near. It's see Pratik, it depends on company and the project budget. You need to understand a scenario how PV companies and the projects function that decides your salary. So I think there will be two batches, I guess, like that we are having right now. One in the morning, one in the evening. 11, 12, 6, 7. So as a professor that in abroad, B form is not available. You have to do further studies abroad. Too. Yes, Rishabh, you should be a postgraduate along with a good certifications and at least a diploma. They need more qualified people, but they pay very good. The reason is comfort, Rohan. Comfort. People tend to be very comfortable. Rishabh, I have mentioned the fees in the workshop, fees for the workshop in the group if you are from the group. Again, Shrishti, this depends on company policies. Maximum companies right now are working on hybrid model. How long does it take to complete one project? Which project? If you are asking about company project, it depends on the agreement. It depends on the agreement. It is for 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year, 15 year. It depends on the agreement. And we have answered Srishti's question as well. It depends on company policy, Srishti. You want remote? If they are applying, if they are happy, they can give you remote as well. Remote jobs. Let me give you one example. Let me show you real. This is my office laptop. I'm working from home. This is a remote job. Bro, right now I'm back home and here the weather is different. That is why I'm having cold. Kolkata weather is very harsh and hot as compared to here. Okay, Ashmita Samantha. See, this is not a PV profile. This is a technical, more of a technical profile. It is not related to PV. You won't be doing basic PV activities. No, Rishabh. See, if you are looking for healthcare jobs, then it doesn't matter in which degree in which subject you have masters. Aditya, it is a matter of choice, brother. If you want to work in clinical research, if you want my opinion, it's clear. I would choose clinical research. I'm talking about clinical research, not CDM. Kamran, I do know people who joined late, even at 50, 60s, but they are all abroad. हाँ वही पूछा उसने, समझ गया मैं. Yes, all abroad. In USA, they hire people at very old age as well. Ankit, if you have a lot of experience or a lot of gap in your studies, then don't apply. You will be amazed to see the salary. But if you don't have that much gap, 1 or 2 year, you are good to apply. Thank you, Shrishti. Aditya, I would suggest yes. It is. It will be better if you are doing masters for with clinical research. It will help you. Rishabh, what was your question? No, for PV it is not in India. Like it is not mandatory to do masters. If you want specific, if you want to target a specific company like Parexel, you can do. You should do masters. No, Kamran, I don't know anybody in India who got hired at 30, 40. See, Aditya, you can do a diploma course as well. It is as good as masters. In the end, everything comes down on your skill set, what you know, and how you impress the. हाँ भाई, हालत खराब हो गई मेरी, कोल्ड हो गया आते ही इधर. Rohan, there is a master's degree in clinical research. It's an option. I think every company is nowadays giving this. I would say to everybody, like rather than running after PV, no, try to find out a good profile with high paying skill set. Swapnil, I don't want to break your heart, but the fact that you are applying right now, that is the mistake that you are doing. You should not be applying that right now. That is why you are not getting any replies, because companies don't hire pursuing candidates. What compliance team do in PV? Compliance, वरुण, compliance team का काम होता है to prepare compliance data, and उनका वो डेटा होता है like uh, let's say they pick up the data like the processed cases, number of cases throughout the period. Okay, they see like how many cases were on time, how many cases were late, how many deviations were there, how many note to files were there, how many queries or discrepancies were identified, were they responded on time. Okay, and what was the quality score? Second, okay, then the based on the productivity and quality, they prepare a compliance data which goes to the client. The client reviews that. The compliance should be as according to the agreement. It is always, I think, 95 to 98%. Okay. They, in that, they come with the compliance percentage. Okay, and if the things are non compliant, then there will be a penalty on the CRO. कभी कभी प्रोजेक्ट चले जाते हैं भाई, अगर कंप्लायंस फॉलो नहीं होता है तो. So after working in marketing in pharmacology in 2024, yes, Anik, Ankit. Okay, आगे. Rohan, I can't tell you for sure, brother, but that depends on the location that you are targeting. It always comes down to the main factors that matter. Rishabh, see, brother, it is not possible to explain everything one by one. That is why we are conducting the workshops, okay? And these topics will be covered in the next videos. Yes, Ankit, you can apply for PV. Aman, the answer is government job, if you can get it. Aditya, what are the abroad company hired for PV? What do you mean, brother? No, Kamran, I have not heard about it. Zeke, PV or medical writer? Uh, for a stable profile, I guess PV is better. Medical writer, they are underutilized, and medical writing will be the first thing, uh, I would say, that will be heavily impacted by AI and automation. Okay, so I would say for stability right now, PV is much better, but medical writing gives an option to freelancing if you are good at what you do. Swapnil, what can. Yes, Rohan, it is possible. Swapnil, what will help? A proper approach. Medical coding, I am not a fan. I am not a fan of medical coding. It is okay, but again, PV is a better job. Coming back to Swapnil's question, Swapnil, see, we have to understand the job descriptions and we have to update our profile accordingly. And Zeking FF, the reason that I'm saying that medical writing will be impacted by AI because now every report is being generated automatically, and the generative AI tools that their companies are practicing on, they can prepare reports very easily. Okay, brother, I like again, like please mention your name while if your real name is not mentioned, your username, so that I can call correctly. The reason being because AI can write a lot better right now. I guess masters Kamran, because it is a high like quality skill. They hire post grad only. I think so. Swapnil, yeah. Okay. So, see, you have to be patient. You have to choose your right profile. You have to update your resume according to that profile and then keep on trying. If you are not getting an opportunity in your dream job or in dream company or dream location, then try to switch and try to relocate also. Be open to relocation, guys. As a fresher, don't be choosy, don't be picky. Aditya, it's your choice. Master degree is master degree. If you are trying to get into PV, then it doesn't matter whether you do MSc or master degree is master degree. But if you are in B form, then it makes sense to go for M form only. Varisha, pharmacist Varisha. Varisha, you are. I remember. Varisha, you are from Pakistan, right? Apart from basic PV, if I'm getting the right person, apart from basic PV knowledge, like I said, uh, what else is left if you know everything? ICH and GVP. That's it. कामरान, आपकी तो लाइफ सेट होगी पीवी में काम करके. Kamran, it's not about life set, brother. It's about choice again. I like what I do. That's why I am here. अगर मुझे पीवी पसंद नहीं होता तो मैं पीवी में नहीं होता. Yes, Shrishti, degree graduation is more than sufficient. Akash, see, relocation is something for first 1 or 2 years, you will need support from your family, but after 1 or 2 years, you will be able to manage. Aman, I'm not saying PV is better. I'm just saying PV is better than medical writing or medical coding because medical writing will be the first field to be like very heavily impacted by AI. Aditya, it's not wrong decision if you are targeting PV. Okay, it's a good thing. Masters is a master. I like I said 2 minutes back. Preparation, of preparation. You should be prepared like well enough to handle this logical reasoning, mathematics, English writing, वगैरह. You have to understand those topics to clear that thing. Otherwise, it will be very tough for you. Guys, more questions? Yes, Shrishti, they do conduct assessment. NH Medic. Where the job roles in which country? Which job roles? NH Medic. कामरान बाबू उसके लिए पैसा लगता है. Yes, parental assessment is way more tough. Arithmetic in other companies, see other countries, the job profiles names are different actually. Which is quicker to go for abroad jobs, PV or clinical research? Both. Like it will if you're like I will choose clinical research one again. Yes, Shrishti. Yes, they do have a collaboration. Many institutes have collaboration with many HRs in the companies. It's not about a company collaboration. It's internal setting with the HRs. It is not official collab. And I don't know where did you see that many people are getting hired on LinkedIn post. अगर क्लीनिंग विंग्स वाले पोस्ट कर रहे हैं कि आईक्यूए के साथ कोलैबोरेशन है तो होगा बट मैंने सुना नहीं. Shrishti, it's not that true, that much true because see, because many people are getting hired without these paid courses as well. Academic reserves around which PV companies offer contract-based internship or job roles. Right now, Cognizant is hiring for like Cognizant and Fortria. They are giving this particular contract jobs. Okay, you are eventually asking about internship. See, many CROs they don't offer internship. You have to find out properly which is available in your location, and it is not always like it is not possible to continue. Like if the company is not willing to continue, it will not be happening. Academic result. Uh, Gosh, on LinkedIn, any event where there are no job posting from the companies, people are posting. I get placed here and there. Akash, what we see on LinkedIn is always not true. Okay, Nitin. Yes. So, see, if you are right now, if you are in your master's degree, you should try to get an internship or exposure. Don't try to run after practical hands-on experience and everything. they are not very much important as for a fresher because nobody will believe that. Second, once you get hired, you will be eventually trained. Okay, so Srishti, they can't like openly, publicly, they can't say that they are collaborated with IQVIA. There must be some internal setting with the HR team or everything. कामना, एमबीबीएस वाले लोग पीवी में भगवान होते हैं. एमबीबीएस लोगों की सैलरी पीवी, बीडीएस और बी फॉर्म ग्रेजुएट से 5 से 10 गुना ज्यादा होती है. Why do they that need PG 30 years of studying? Post graduation 30 years of study? No, Kamran, please rephrase. I'm not getting your question. फिर वो इतना पढ़ते क्यों भाई? इसीलिए तो पढ़ते हैं वो. If you want to understand, if you want me to make a statement, let me give you a comparison. Let me give you, let me give a comparison to everybody. The salary package, I'll tell you the salary package. जिस सैलरी पे तुम लोग 10 साल बाद पहुंचोगे ना, 10 से 15 साल बाद, ठीक है, उनको वहां पहुंचने में 3 साल लगते हैं. इतना ज्यादा डिफरेंस होता है. हाँ वरुण, तुमने देखा नहीं ब्रदर. आई आई टॉक टू वन. हाँ डेट्स. मैंने दी. मैंने 10-15 साल का टाइम लिया ना. मैंने 10-15 साल का टाइम लिया. 15 साल में उतनी सैलरी हो जाती है जितनी उनकी 2-3 साल में हो जाती है. But again, if you see, you will learn a lot from them if you are in the good books with the medical reviewers. I have many friends who are medical reviewers, and we learn a lot from them. Medical understanding of things. It's very important. So Shrishti and Kamran understood why they study and what is the benefit. Yes, mostly important है because in the end everything comes down to Kamran. You are looking at a wrong profile. Every company hires or mention MBBS very often. And if you don't know, there are around what, more than 10 people, 10 medics in the group. The group number one. So I would request again everybody be respectful in the group with the seniors and everything. If you don't know, because I have a huge level of respect for the seniors. Kamran, they mention very often, brother, very often. Any more questions? Samsa, I'm very new for PU, but I've been in clinical side. Can I apply now? Yes, Samsa, you can apply. कामरान कोई नहीं रोता भाई कॉर्पोरेट में कोई नहीं रोता जिसको 15-20 लाख रुपए मिलते कोई नहीं रोता No, Rohan, it is not possible to get a CRA role. You can't even start with the CRC also as a fresher. It is very tough nowadays to get the CRC. Entry level profiles are named differently clinical trial assistant and something like that. With experience, you can reach there. Where to apply? In Hyderabad. See, I don't understand the point of uh, like staying in a single location because see location restricts the growth if you are not able to switch. Total AI automation opportunity I may complete, but it's Shrishti, it is not like that the jobs have reduced. Every company is hiring. Like, if you don't know, like, I'll tell you, every other company is hiring right now. Harshit, don't believe everything you read on Reddit. Saturation is everywhere in any organization, every company, every job role, any field. I always believe a quote, there's an English quote saying that never take advice or never trust or believe or follow a person who is not at the position where you want to be. चाहे वो कुछ भी कहे ठीक है क्योंकि every people like everybody have their separate path. There was a friend of mine, okay, who was in manufacturing from the very beginning. He worked in manufacturing for almost what 10 years. Okay, he was enjoying and everything. Then life happened. and he left the job and he went back home and started a chemist shop. So path and life can take you anywhere. So never believes on somebody because your journey is not as same as others or theirs. Kamran, regret कुछ नहीं होता brother. Yes, Ankit, it's my real life experience. My he was my best friend. And तुम्हारे साथ भी हुआ है तो you can correlate. Clinical trial assistant, ETMF specialist, or CDM, clinical research analyst. These kind of profiles, Rohan. See, roles vary from company to company. नहीं वरुण जॉब्स पे कोई असर नहीं होगा देयर इज नथिंग थोड़ा सा इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ टाइम इट विल बी रिजोल्व रिसेशन नहीं आने वाला until there is a full fledged world war. Just understand the application process. Samsung, you can follow the LinkedIn profile of any company, like where you can get this information. Ayan, see again, brother, it is matter of choice only because let me give you a very clear picture. If you do job after B Form, so with the 2 years of experience, the salary that you will be getting, you will not be getting after you join after masters. So think about it. It is a matter of choice. Some companies give all preference to masters only. So if you want to increase your chances in PV in future, so you should go for masters. But if you are willing to do job, then don't think about masters. Get a clarity picture. Any more questions, guys? Yes, Shrishti, that is why I say never believe everything you see until and unless you know it personally. Best CROs to start with clinical research, IQVIA. IQVIA से ऊपर क्लिनिकल रिसर्च में अभी शायद ही कोई होगा. And specifically IQVIA Biotech. Any more questions? No, no, Rohan. They need skillful people who can do the job in a right way. Yes, Varun. अभी नींद भी आने लगी है. Can someone PV at the Ankit? It is usually not common. Okay, people do get hired. It is very common in foreign countries like USA. I have seen people doing PV job at the age of 40, 45, 50 even. Okay, people do get hired. There's a rare case scenario in India, but people do get hired. And it's very common outside. Freshers with MBBS, name of the job role, drug safety physician, Samsung, DSP. Good night, everybody. If there are no further questions, I'm concluding this call. I'm doing my apprenticeship in the industry, but like it here, so think you're switching to PV. Harshit, you can complete your training, brother. Don't leave things in between. It's not like that you're not liking it, it is a choice. So there are no further. Yes, so okay. So if there are no further questions, let's close this call, guys. Good night, everyone.